Now that's what I call a detailed report. Stick around and we'll get right to it. Hey, welcome back guys, Jason KM4ACK. Today I wanted to take a look at something that is pretty cool. I am a big fan of position reports in Winlink. I just like the idea that I can push something out over RF and anybody anywhere in the world can look up that information if they know what they're looking for, and you can see that information over RF. And while the Winlink position report is really cool, I have found a new little thing that we can play with. Well, I found it a while ago and I just stumbled back across it maybe a week ago. And that is position reports with APRS. Now, not what you're thinking, not just beacon out your location and we can only see that with another APRS radio or going to APRS.FI. This position report can be emailed to anyone that you want it to go to. Now, before I show you how to do it, let's take a look at this because this is a pretty detailed report. Right at the top, you'll see that it's position data for my particular call, and then it gives us 4 possible links to look up this stuff. So APRS.FI finds you, Google Maps would all 3 show you on a map exactly where I'm located at this particular moment because, well, I just sent this out. Now, if you went to QRZ.com, it's just going to give you more information, obviously, about me. But check out the detail that you get in this report. A long Maidenhead grid square that we get. We get the latitude and longitude in a couple of different formats. So you get it in degrees and decimal minutes, and then down a little bit lower you get it in that latitude and longitude. It also gives us the UTM coordinates and the MGRS coordinates. It gives you the altitude that I'm at. It tells you when I was last heard on APRS, and then it gives you an actual street address, or at least pretty close to a street address. When I've tried this a few other times, it's been within a couple of house numbers of where I was actually located. So a lot of information that we get in this little report here, and this is part of the MPAD service. Well, let me show you guys exactly how to send this report. All right, so I'm using APRS Droid this morning. I'm in my messages, and that's connected to the little BTEC radio that you see sitting back here, and I'm running that smiley antenna. Let's go ahead and click the send message to, and in the for who we're sending it to, we're just going to put MPAD, MPAD. In the body of that message, we're going to put POSMSG if my phone doesn't autocorrect this. And it does. It always wants to autocorrect it to Postman. But it's POSMSG. And then right beyond that, we're just going to put an email address of who we want to send this report to. So I'll use my ARRL address right here. So KM4ACK at ARRL.net. And it's that easy to send this report out. I'll go ahead and hit send on that. We'll be able to see here in a second on the screen that message changes to bright green once it's been acknowledged, and then I will get a message back that shows me that it's been sent to the recipient. And there you can see it. You'll see that bright green text now for the original message that I sent. That indicates that it's been acknowledged. And then I got the reply. The requested position report was emailed to its recipient. So just another cool little way that we can send a position report to someone's email account. They don't even need to be a radio operator. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.